Did you know that your liver is like your body's filter? It works tirelessly to remove toxins, process nutrients, and keep your energy levels balanced. But here's the catch. Some of the foods we eat can damage this vital organ, while others can help it heal. In today's video, I'll share the foods you should avoid to protect your liver and the foods you can eat to restore its health. First, let's talk about foods that are bad for your liver. These can lead to issues like fatty liver disease, inflammation, or even permanent damage if consumed regularly. 1. Alcohol. We all know alcohol isn't great for the liver, but why? When you drink, your liver works overtime to break it down, producing harmful substances in the process. Over time, this can lead to fat buildup, inflammation, and scarring. Limiting alcohol or avoiding it completely is one of the best ways to protect your liver. 2. Fried and fast foods. Fried foods like French fries and burgers are packed with unhealthy fats, especially trans fats. These fats make your liver store extra fat, which can lead to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Try to avoid these or replace them with baked or grilled options. 3. Sugary foods and drinks. Think of sodas, pastries, and candy. They're loaded with sugar, which the liver converts into fat. Over time, this can lead to fat buildup in the liver. Choose natural sweeteners or limit added sugar in your diet. 4. Processed meats. Bacon, sausages, and deli meats are high in saturated fats and preservatives, which can harm your liver. Opt for fresh, lean meats instead. 5. High salt foods. Excess salt can cause water retention and strain your liver. Avoid overly salty snacks and processed foods. Instead, use herbs and spices to flavor your meals. Now for the good news. There are plenty of foods that support your liver and even help repair damage. Here are some of the best ones. 1. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other greens are packed with antioxidants that help reduce inflammation in the liver. They also support the liver's natural detox process. 2. Cruciferous vegetables. Vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts boost the production of detox enzymes, helping your liver break down harmful substances more effectively. 3. Garlic. This superfood contains compounds that activate liver enzymes, helping to flush out toxins. Garlic also contains selenium, an important mineral for liver health. 4. Turmeric. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory. Its active ingredient, curcumin, can reduce liver inflammation and help repair liver cells. Add it to your meals or drink it as tea. 5. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants called catechins, which protect liver cells and reduce fat deposits in the liver. Drinking a cup daily can do wonders. 6. Berries. Blueberries and cranberries are full of antioxidants that prevent liver damage. They also promote immune health, which indirectly supports your liver. 7. Fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are high in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats reduce liver inflammation and improve its function. 8. Nuts. Walnuts and almonds are great for liver health. They provide healthy fats and antioxidants, which can improve liver enzyme levels. Maintaining a healthy liver doesn't have to be complicated. Here are a few simple tips. Drink plenty of water to help flush out toxins. Include liver-friendly foods in your diet every day. Avoid processed and sugary foods as much as possible, and limit your alcohol consumption or skip it altogether. Your liver works hard for you every single day, so it's important to take care of it. By avoiding harmful foods and choosing liver-friendly options, you can protect this vital organ and even reverse some of the damage. What's your favorite liver-friendly food? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching.